My name is Farhan Abdullahi. I was born in Kombolcha, eastern Ethiopia, and I am a business owner. After so many years, when I came here and saw the situation and what people are going through, and I felt guilty, and I said, there are so many resources, so many things that we can do to help others.
My name is Dr. Nuruddin Sule. I am a pharmacist by profession. Really in Badeno, the mother and the father walking 2 days, imagine, inside the forest from Aniya all the way to Badeno because their child is malnourished. And there wasn't no from the doctor told me they didn't have nothing to do to feed the baby. They don't have nothing. So this is a story. I have so many of them. But the good thing is it changed me.
Hello, my name is Dwight Dyer. I'm with Project Cure, came here from Denver, Colorado area, United States. And I'm part of Project Cure, our volunteer and organization and charitable organization where we collect medical supplies from hospitals and clinics in the United States, excess medical supplies that they might have or when they're getting new equipment, etc. And we collect it, process it, and then send it to countries around the world.
I'm Dr. Ahmed Mohamed, pediatrician by training and Chief Executive Director at Haramaya University, Hayot Fana Comprehensive Specialized Hospital and the College of Health and Medical Science. I am pediatrician and civil servant serving in one of the hospitals in eastern Ethiopia. So as a professional, we have limitations. Government is trying to fulfill that limitation to limit of their capacity, but that's not enough. The demand of our community is huge.
It takes days or two to reach this hospital. When they reach, there is no adequate medical equipment to serve their needs. And we do refer them further for medical service, either to Dredawa or to Harar, where they do not know language and they cannot afford the cost of hotels and the cost of medical service in that institution. One day I have a mother who was in respiratory distress because of something called pulmonary edema. She has a hypertensive disorder of pregnancy. And because we don't have mechanical ventilator, that mother died while she was on referral on the way to Hayot Fana University Specialized Hospital this year. And we have many mothers dying on referral, or some mothers die here because we don't have mechanical ventilator to keep them in ICU. This is my experience, and that is very painful.
Looks like their education of personnel, medical professionals, is on track. However, these doctors, nurses, they need more and better equipment. And that's what we'll try to do with Project Cure. I think the outlying hospitals, we've come over some very difficult roads. Obviously, it'd be very significant for someone, a needing patient, to be transported over those roads.
We live in a diaspora where healthcare is like you have your primary doctor, you have emergency room, hospitals every 5-10 minutes. Here things are different. There's a lot of mom that I found out that she passed away because she was referred to another hospital and the road was so bad, and then she passed away. That thing can be savable with little amount of money.
The first visit was Hayot Fana. When I went there and saw a lot of professionals, neurosurgeon, surgeon, doctors, MD, nurses, and housekeepers, and all those people, the love that they have for their community is unbelievable. And that has nothing to do with the money. They are just doing to serve their community. That really, really inspired me and said, we have to do something.
From Project Cure, we donate all our supplies free, but someone has to pay the shipping. So we have these other resources are being collected to send full containers of medical equipment across the ocean to here. And also associated, they're raising money to build a new hospital here. And so we'll be a partner with them. Project Cure will be a partner with them to bring just better health care and better, more complete health care to these people that deserve it so much.
If they get us simply only if OR table and even one single anesthesia machine, we can save many mothers and many patients from dying or from economic catastrophe due to referral.
I really believe with all my heart that everyone can help and they are willing to help. They just don't know how bad the situation is. But if all of us try to help with open heart, I think we can make a huge difference, a huge difference. There are a lot of other members who came with us, Americans who came with us, and they were not from here. But humanity comes first.
Follow the footsteps of friends who have shown us hope and bright future to cooperate and work with us. So let's come together and make the difference in health sector and education of our community. If we come together, we can make the needed difference in service delivery.
So we can change. Anything is changeable. What you need is your clean heart, your determination, your dedication. At the end of the day, humanity is first. Humanity is first. Let's think about positively and do something.
So baddannoon warra akka Dr. Obsa, Latiifee akkasumatti Muraad kanneen cufa oomishte jechuudha. Waadaa guddaa nuufii seenanii isiniifillee seenanii jiran.
And I will leave here with fond memories of the people that I've met here and how they've been so welcoming. And I will have a special place in my heart for Ethiopia and its people.
Ilmi namaa yaadaan wal dhabu waan jiru. Ani obboleessa kiyya haadhaa fi abbaa tokko yaadaan wal dhabna. Garuu waan hospitaala jaarutti, waan madrasaa jaarutti wanni wal dhabnuuf hin jiru. Hawaasummaa fi siyaasaa adda baasa. Gorsaan isinin jiru hawaasummaa fi siyaasaa adda baasa. Siyaasaadhaan wal dhabne is okay, humaa miti. Garuu hospitaala jaarutti gufuun ta'in inni awaabalu deeggara jettanii gufuun ta'ina.
Rabbiin isin cufa waliin ol isiniin haa deemu. Amiin. Dabarte rabbi isinittiin hisaabin. Amiin. Wallaahi fayyaa baadhaa gala. Amiin. Barakaa torban dachii torban samiitiin. Amiin. Akka makiinaan dhuftanii akka xayyaaraan dhuftanitti ilaala. Amiin. Rabbi niin gammadee rabbi isin haa gammachiisu. Amiin. Na gammachiistanii rabbi isin haa gammachiisu. Amiin.
Me coming over here, it changed my life. It changed me how I'm gonna, the perspective that I have for my people. Before, I was talking nonsense politics here and there while my people is dying. I have to focus more. I ask every healthcare professional in the US, in Canada, and Australia, please focus on your people. Please do something. And you could make a change. Thank you so much.
akkanaan jechuu beekaa kunoo waan hinaan jettuun eega gurguddaa wayaa subbaa wayaa sabboo qaattolaa gammoojjii qoreen diinaa kophee irbuusaa tola baddaa qabbanaa diinaa wayaa qabeenyaa tola kunoo gaafa kaalin taangeeyse gaafa kaliishaan xiixxe kunoo lammii qabeenyaa tola jedhee beekanneef